It's raining. It's boring. I love Sizzles. Sizzles!
I have this little sister Lola.
Lovely Sizzles.
She's small and very funny.
Hurry up, Charlie.
Today, Lola's excited because Mum and Dad are going out. So we're going round to Marv's.
No, we're going to the park to play with Sizzles all day long. Sizzles! No, but I really, really wanted to play with Sizzles. And it's fun in the park. Poor Sizzles.
It's okay, Lola. There's loads we can do inside.
Loads. What's this, Lola?
Come on, Charlie. But ping pong is just for 2 people. Poor Sizzles.
Okay, Lola. Let's do car racing then.
That won't work, Charlie. There are only 2 cars. We can't play racing with 3.
No, it's another 2 game. I don't like it when it rains.
It's not that bad, Lola.
What do you normally do when it rains, Lola?
Lots of things. I have tea with my pigs and chickens. I make pictures out of beans and spaghetti. And sometimes I play my guitar and sing. La 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 la! I'll just pop home and get my guitar.
But Lola, Mum and Dad are out.
Oh. Do you have any spaghetti and glue, Marv?
Mm.
Oh.
Ooh.
Lola, we've got loads of games. We can definitely find something we can all play.
How about Bubble?
No, it goes on too long. Round and round?
Boring.
Not round and round.
What's this one?
Ooh, is it a game?
I don't know. I've never seen it before. Hang on. What's this?
What does it say?
Is it raining?
Yes.
Are you really bored?
Yes!
Well, open this box and you won't be bored anymore.
Open the box! Open the box!
Wait a minute. Let's put it where we can all see it.
Open the box!
What do you think's in it?
I don't know.
Maybe there's some spaghetti.
A rocket? String?
Ping pong balls?
Twigs with string
Beanbags?
and an old newspaper.
And no chicken, spaghetti or glitter?
Instructions.
What did they say?
This box contains a rain race. The aim is to finish every single game before the rain stops. Shall we start?
Yes!
First, you've got to throw the beanbag onto the paper without knocking over the rocket. Never mind, Lola. We've got ages. Have another go.
Don't worry, Lola. It's going to be raining for ages. Try again. Next, we've got to join the dots and guess the picture.
I'm a very good Dotter.
Go.
It's a helicopter.
Mine's a digger. Over here.
Very, very good.
What's your picture, Lola?
Oh, it was a butterfly, Charlie. But now it's a whole field of lovely butterflies.
The idea is to finish the game quickly, then move on before it stops raining.
It's all right. It's still pouring. What's the next game?
Oh.
Come on, Lola.
Oh.
Go on, Lola. Lola.
I just want the rain to stop.
It can't stop. We've got to finish our rain race first.
Yes.
Okay, next one.
Come on, Lola. This is a good one. It's called Bet You Can't Find the Ant.
Bet we can.
It must be really, really tiny. I wonder where it is.
I'm very good at finding teeny weeny things. Let me have a go.
Is that it?
That's not it. Look over there.
Come on now, where are you? I know you're there somewhere. You can't hide from me. Oh, there you are. Charlie, Marv. Charlie. Charlie. You didn't wait for me to find the ant.
You took too long, Lola. We found it ages ago. Your turn, Marv.
Now what are you playing?
It's the hardest game yet. The House of Cards.
Ooh, can I help?
Well, Lola, it is quite tricky.
Please, Charlie.
I suppose you could hold the cards
Ooh.
and pass them to us, but do it carefully.
Here you are. Oh,
Lola!
Lola!
I didn't mean to do it. Oh, I don't like these rainy day games. You said it would be fun, but it isn't. I'm going to play with Sizzles. I want to be in the park playing outside-ish games, not here indoors playing inside-ish games. All just because of it raining. It's not fair.
We're on the last game, Lola, and we have to be quick because the rain might stop any minute.
I don't want to play the rain race anymore.
Oh, but we really need you. You've got to play. Go on.
I don't know. What kind of game is it?
The tray game. My mum has put 10 things on this tray and then she covered them up.
Nobody's allowed to look until we're all ready.
Then we all get one quick look and we all have to remember what was on the tray before the timer runs out.
And then we finish the rain race.
But we all have to do it together or the whole thing doesn't count.
Come on, Lola, please.
Okay then, I'll play.
Right. Right.
Ready, steady, go!
A crayon. An orange crayon.
Yeah, and duck.
I know. Honey. A jar of honey.
Was there a race car?
No. No, there wasn't.
Quick, look at the timer.
Apple.
Yes, good one. Okay, I've got it. Full. No, I mean spoon.
Come on, we need 5 more things. Think, Marv.
Lola, can't you think of anything?
Yo-yo, plaster, seashell, aeroplane, and backpack comic.
Wow. She's right. That's amazing.
That is amazing. How did you do that, Lola?
It was easy because it was such a funny story.
Huh? What funny story?
The one I made up with all the things on the tray.
Huh?
Once upon a time.
Scratch, let's party! Come on, mini makers, let's all dance with the shapes.
I am a circle. Spin around in a circle on the ground.
I am a triangle.
Clap your hands in the air. Triangles everywhere.
I am a square.
Everybody draw a square. Draw it here, draw it there.
I am a rectangle.
Bounce, everybody. Bounce like you just don't care. What's it going to be? Wait and we will see. A shape for you and me.
I am a rectangle.
Yay! Look at these 2 pictures. How many differences can you spot? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. There are 4 differences. Well done, Rectangle. It's time to get back on the shelf. Go!
really clever, Lola.
Very funny.
Did we finish in time?
Easily. That means we finished the whole game.
We finished the rain race.
Let's check.
Oh, the rain stopped.
It has completely and absolutely stopped.
Oh, we didn't finish the rain race in time.
But we did find an even better game for the rainy day box.
Yeah, Lola's story game. Now the rain has stopped. Don't you want to play outside?
No! I want to play the story game again.
Okay, but this time we're going to choose really difficult things.
Okay, Lola.
Easy peasy. So, this hippopotamus went down to the shops to buy some toothpaste. And do you know what he bumped into on the way? A robot holding a big hairbrush.